Students, today we are going to start chapter number 8 quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is a four-sided figure, four-sided closed figure, four sides, four angles and four vertices are there. Clear? Sum of these four angles is a 360 degree. Sum of these four angles is a 360 degree. There are so many types of quadrilateral like parallelogram, rhombus, square, rectangle, trapezium, kite. All properties of these quadrilaterals we have done in our last class. So in this class now we will start further with exercise 8.1. See first question. The angles of quadrilaterals are in a ratio. Find all the angles of the quadrilaterals. In angles given in a ratio, we have to find measure of these all four angles. So what we have to do when anything is given in a ratio, then we have to consider it. So what we will do, see there, let angles of quadrilateral ratio given 3 ratio 5 ratio 9 ratio 13. So we will write let angles of quadrilateral 3x 5x 9x 13x. Okay, as I told you, so we will write there, as we know, sum of angles of quadrilateral 360 degree. So we will add these all angles, 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x is equal to 360 degree. 8 plus 9 17 plus 13 30x is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 by 30. That will come 12. X came 12, so angle A is equal to 3x means 3 into 12, 36 degree. Angle B is equal to 5 into 12, 5x, that is 5 into 12, 60 degree. Angle C is equal to 9x, that is 9 into 12, 108 degree. Angle D is equal to 13x, that is 13 into 12, 150 Clear? So like this way we have to calculate these angles. See next question. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angle, then it is a rhombus. Means diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other. Bisect each other means divide it into equal parts. At right angle means when they will bisect, that time 90 degree angle is formed, then we have to show that it is a rhombus. So now come on this question, we will start. See there, I have made a diagram. A, B, C, D. AC and BD are diagonals. They bisect each other and their 90 degree angle is there. They said bisect each other at 90 degree angles. Right angle means that these all angles are of 90. So what is given to us? First of all, we will write that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Diagonals bisect means, suppose this is point O. OA is equal to OC. OB is equal to OD and angle COD is equal to 90 degree. COD, this angle 90 degree. All are 90 degrees, so one we have written. That is given to us. But we need to prove but we have to prove that A, B, C, D is a rhombus. We have to prove this. Now come on, proof. From where we will start? We will take two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD. AOB and COD, upper and lower, these two triangles we will take up. So first of all we can say here these two triangles we have taken AOB and COD. Now see here what we will do. OA OC, OA is equal to OC, that is given. OD OB equal, OD OB equal, that is also given. So for both same reason is there given. Two sides equal. Now see this angle 1 and angle 2 will be also equal, because I told you in last chapter, when two lines intersect each other, then these are two vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. So we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2. Reason is vertically opposite angles. So by SAS congruency chapter we have done already. So side angle side congruency is there, two sides and one angle equal. So we will write triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. Triangles are congruent. This was the figure. A, B, C, D. These are the diagonals. AOB, COD, these two triangles congruent came. Then we can say AB is equal to CD. Therefore, AB is equal to CD by CPCT. We have done in last chapter that if triangles congruent, then the corresponding sides will be always equal. Clear? Similarly, if we will prove these two triangles congruent, then these two sides will equal. Come, AD is equal to ABC. If these triangles we will take, these two sides will be equal. If these two triangles we will take, these two sides will be equal. So similarly we can write AB is equal to AD, AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD. So it means therefore all sides of quadrilateral are equal. So A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Clear?